Most Shopify brands aren't bad at marketing. They're just running a business with no retention system, so every month starts at zero. That's why ad feels expensive and revenue feels random. In this video, I'll show you the exact retention systems I'll build if I own your store step by step, so repeat revenue becomes predictable. I've been doing ecom for the last 7 years, scaled my own Shopify brands to 500K per month, and now my team builds email and SMS retention systems for Shopify brands doing 50K to 5 million per month that wants predictable repeat revenue. Look, most Shopify brands owners think they need more traffic when they actually need is a system that turns existing customers into repeat buyers. So let me walk you through the exact 9-step retention system I'll build if I own your Shopify store. Step 1, the baseline audit. First thing I'm doing is pulling every numbers. I need to see your repeat purchase rate, customer lifetime value, and what the percent of revenue is coming from flows versus campaigns and how fast your list is growing. Here's what I'm looking for. If your repeat purchase rate is under 25%, we got a lot of work to do. If your flows are generating less than 15 to 20% of your total email revenue, your automation is broken. And if your list growth isn't converting at least 5% of your current traffic, we're bleeding potential customers. Step 2, this is the infrastructure setup. Before we build anything, I'm fixing your deliverability. I'm setting up your branded sending domain, cleaning your suppression list, and making sure your emails are actually reaching the inbox. Because the best designed emails in the world is worthless if it lands in spam. This means having proper SPF, DKIM, and DMARC records. It means removing unengaged subscribers who are killing your sender reputation. Most brands skip this step and wonder why their campaign and flow is a flop. Step 3, this is your list growth system. Now I'm going to be building a list growth machine. I'm not talking about generic 10% off pop-up that everyone ignores. I'm talking about strategic capture points throughout your customer journey. This includes exit intent pop-ups with compelling offers, post-purchase SMS opt-in when customers are most engaged, and quiz funnels that segment people while they subscribe. The goal is quality subscribers who actually want to hear from you, not just discount seekers. Before we continue, if you like what you're seeing, make sure to subscribe for more email marketing and e-commerce strategy videos. Step 4, this is the core flow stack. Here's where the magic happens. I'm building 8 core flows immediately that works 24/7. A welcome series that introduces your brand and convert first-time subscribers. Browse, checkout, and cart abandonment that captures people when they're most interested. Post-purchase flow that immediately starts building loyalty. I'm building a cross-sell sequence that'll increase your average order value, and win-back campaigns that will re-engage your customers before they even churn. As you can see, each flow has a specific job, and together they create a system that generates revenue while you sleep. Step 5, this is your SMS integration. SMS isn't just email marketing's little brother. It's your direct line to customers. But here's where most brands get wrong. They spam people with every single promotion they have via SMS. This is not how you do it. I use SMS marketing for high-intent moments. That means cart abandonment, shipping updates, and exclusive sales for VIP customers. That's it. You want to keep it valuable, keep it rare, and watch your SMS revenue explode. Step 6. This is your campaign engine. Flows handle the automation, but campaigns will drive the bulk of your revenue. I'm setting up weekly campaign schedules with content pillars. That means educational content, social proof, product spotlight, and strategic promotions. The key for campaigns is really about consistency. Your customers should expect to hear from you. Not be surprised when some random email comes up when you need sales. That's not how you do email marketing. Step 7. This is your revenue moving segmentations. This is where most brands will fail. They send the same emails to everyone. I'm segmenting based on purchase behavior, engagement level, and customer lifetime value. For example, VIPs will get exclusive previews, new subscribers will get the bulk of the educational content, and then repeat buyers get loyalty rewards. Blasting the same email to everyone on your list doesn't work in email marketing. Step 8 is testing and optimization. Every single email we send is a test. That goes for subject lines, send times, offers, creatives. I'm consistently optimizing based on the data, not just random guesswork. Any improvements across our metrics across all campaigns can mean hundreds of thousands in additional revenue that you don't have if you don't A/B test. Step 9 is the retention dashboard. Finally, I'm setting up a weekly review system. Every Monday, you're checking key metrics: flow performance, campaign results, list health, and revenue attribution. This prevents a system from becoming chaotic and ensure consistent growth. If you implement any of these steps, or if you build even a couple of these flows, you'll see quick wins. But flows aren't the entire system. Without the right segmentation, campaign cadence, and post-purchase strategy, You'll still be guessing every single week and leaving repeat revenue on the table. If you want to work with me and my team directly, we can build this full backend retention system, email and SMS marketing inside Klaviyo for you. Just book a free strategy call using the first link in the description. And watch this video next, Top 10 E-commerce Email Marketing Tips. This is where I present the most useful tips on how to scale your e-commerce brand with email marketing. It's the same retention framework we implement for Shopify brands to make revenue more predictable without spending more on ads.